Good morning, everyone, and welcome for today's lecture. So, so carefully read the question here and carefully observe the diagram. Find current I of 0 plus when switch is opened at t is equal to 0. Okay, so supply voltage is given as a 50 volt. The switch is opening here. Many times we saw examples in which switch is closing at t is equal to 0. But here at t is equal to 0, switch is opening. Second case, here two resistors are there, 20 ohm 20 ohm means up to now whatever the problems we have solved in those problem, only one resistor will be there. Okay, only one resistors were present, uh, but here two resistors are given. So in such a problem where multiple resistors are there, so in that case how to solve the problems based on RL, RLC and RC. So based on there are the some steps are there. So first of all we can understand those steps and then we will solve this type of problem. Okay, so before this we are going to solve, we are going to understand the procedure. So procedure to solve procedure to solve transient analysis problems. Transient analysis problems when multiple registers are connected. Multiple registers are present in the network or in the circuit. Okay, so this procedure you can follow if multiple registers are present in the circuit diagram. So what are the steps I will tell. So first of all carefully carefully observe the circuit. Carefully observe the circuit. Okay, and and draw the circuit. Carefully observe the circuit and draw the circuit according to new position of switch. According to new position of switch. So this point is very important, that is new position of switch means the switch is closed at t is equal to 0. The switch is moving from position A to position B. Okay, so in such a case or switch is opened at t is equal to 0. So according to that new position म्हणजेच स्विच ओपन झालेला आहे किंवा स्विच क्लोज झालेला आहे at t is equal to 0 or switch is moving from A to B means you have to draw the diagram in which you are going to connect the switch towards the position B. म्हणजे पोझिशन बी वरती तुम्हाला स्विच ठेवून डायग्राम काढायचा आहे. So this will be the first point. Carefully observe the circuit and draw the circuit according to new position of the switch so that you can find out the equation. Second one, write write the equation. Write the equation write the equation according to type of circuit. So this is when if separate RL is there or RC is there. So what will be the type of circuit? That is I of t, that is the total response. If inductor is there or if current response is there, then I of t is equal to I of infinite. Infinite means final condition. I of infinite plus I of 0 minus I of infinite bracket complete into e raised to minus t divided by 2. This is about inductor. So about voltage, V of t is equal to V of infinite plus V of 0 minus V of infinite into e raised to minus t divided by tau, where tau is equal to, this will be the third point, find tau is equal to R equivalent into C for कॅपॅसिटर जर आरसी सर्किट असेल और फॉर कॅपॅसिटर आरसी सर्किट for capacitor circuit, and tau is equal to L by R, so L by R equivalent, so that will be for RL circuit. Okay, so find tau is equal to here R equivalent into C, and after finding tau you can put here. Okay, hello, okay, wait 1 minute. Now once again I will repeat. Write the equation according to the type of circuit. ओके, मग टाईप ऑफ सर्किट म्हणजे कुठला, आर एल आर सी जे काय असेल, आणि त्याच्यावरनं रिस्पॉन्सेस कुठलं पाहिजे, टाईप ऑफ सर्किट अँड रिक्वायर्ड रिस्पॉन्स हियर. Response means what? Either current or voltage. So according to that you can write these two equations. Sometimes only need one equation, sometimes we need both. Okay, so third step will be the find this tau value according to the type of circuit, that is RC or RL. If RC is there, you can use tau is equal to R equivalent into C, because for RC circuit tau is equal to R into C. Okay, that already we know. And for inductor RL circuit, tau is equal to L by R. So R is when multiple or number of resistors are present in the network. For that only we are considering these all steps. Understand? So fourth one is, so how to find out this I of 0? I of 0 means initial conditions. So find responses. Find responses according to initial condition. Initial conditions. So initial conditions, that is I of 0 and V of 0. Find responses according to initial conditions, that is I of 0 and V of 0, by drawing the diagram, by drawing the circuit according to initial condition. According to initial condition, you have to draw the diagram. Means inductor is shorted, inductor is open, capacitor is shorted, capacitor is open. So according to that you can make a changes in the diagram, and after making the changes then you can find out the initial values, that is I of 0 or V of 0. Now next, fifth one, find responses according to final conditions. So final conditions means it may be previous condition or after infinite, that is t is equal to infinite, that is for t is equal to infinite. Therefore you can find I of infinite or V of infinite, that you have to find out. Okay, by drawing the circuit according to condition. drawing the circuit according to condition, according to final condition. Okay, now next sixth step, that will be the last step. Put all values, put all these values in equations, in equations given in step 2. So put all these values in the equations given in step 2. So these are the equations given in the step 2. So put all these values, that is tau you can put I of infinite, I of 0. So everything, every value you can put in the equation shown here, then you are getting the final response or required response. Are you understand? Okay, so put all these values in equations given in the step 2. So these are the 6 steps, carefully observe. So this is these steps you can use when multiple registers, means more than one register present in the given network. In that case only you can follow these steps. Okay, for gate exam also, by using these steps or by using this procedure, you can solve the problems based on the transient response. Okay, so now we solve the problem which I given yesterday as a homework. So that type of problem we are going to solve now. So R equivalent, one thing is remaining here. So how to find out R equivalent? So R equivalent already you know how to find out. Okay, so when I will solve this the problem, then you can understand more. So R equivalent, while finding out R equivalent, you have to open the current source and you have to short the voltage source. ते तुम्हाला माहितच आहे, we already used in the first chapter. While finding out R equivalent, voltage source is always shorting and current source is always opening. That thing you have to first do. Second one, L नंतरचा जो काही पार्ट असेल, L means inductor and capacitor. Apart from that, you can find out the R equivalent. म्हणजे R equivalent फाइंड आउट करताना कुठल्या साईडनी बघायचं आणि कुठल्या साईडनी मेजर करायचंय, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द सर्किट. ते सर्किट वरती डिपेंड आहे. आर यू अंडरस्टँड? सो वेन वी विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम्स, we can get the idea how to find out the R equivalent. So we'll solve the yesterday's problem. So question number I will take as a 1 because it is coming under the this category. Find current I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. म्हणजे I of 0 plus म्हणजेच t greater than or equal to 0 when switch is open, when switch is open at t equal to 0. So find current I of t for t greater than 0 when switch is open at t is equal to 0. So yesterday's problem, in that the condition is reverse. Here switch is opening at t is equal to 0. Already it is closed. So it is opening at t is equal to 0. So many times such type of questions they will ask, but we have habit the switch is closed at t is equal to 0. But sometimes they will ask the switch is opened at t is equal to 0. So don't confuse between these two different points. Carefully read the question and carefully observe the diagram, and then you can start to solve. पहिलं काय दिलंय आणि काय सांगितलंय, that you can carefully note down and then you can start. So this will be 20 ohm, this will be also 20 ohm, and inductor is 2 Henry, and the response they are asking, find out the current, okay, I of t. So this current they are asking to find for t greater than or equal to 0 when switch is open at t is equal to 0. So according to the procedure given, you can start. Okay, so first position is so before we are doing the or we are solving this problem, first I will read the question. Find current I of t, where it is mentioned here. Okay, काही वेळेस ह्यातला पण करंट विचारू शकतात. Sometimes they will ask the current here. So carefully read the question, what they are asking. So find current I of t, which is passing through this series combination of 20 ohm and 2 Henry. Next, for condition of t greater than or equal to 0. So condition may also get changes. Okay, in the example. Now next, when switch is opened at t is equal to 0, means already this switch is closed for t less than 0. At t equal to 0, it is just opening. Okay, so arrow is also given. Now next, we are following the first step. When switch is open at t equal to 0, when switch is open means what will be the first step that I will read here. Carefully observe the circuit and draw the circuit according to new position of switch. So what is the new position of switch? It is just open at t is equal to 0. That is the new position. So when switch is open at t is equal to 0, then so according to that, I will draw the diagram. Plus minus 50 volt. The switch is open now. So this is the 20 ohm. This will be 2 Henry, and this will be 20 ohm. So you have to find out this current, that is I of 0 plus now. Okay, the switch is closed. So for time 0 plus, what will be the current passing through this path, that you have to find out. Means switch is opened here. You can show that switch is open at t is equal to 0. So how to find out I of 0? How to find out I of 0? How to find out I of 0? So before finding, I will write the equation. They are asking the current. Therefore, the second step, the current I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So the current I of t we are finding for t greater than equal to 0. That current you can write I of t equation, you can write I of t is equal to I of infinite plus I of 0, or 0 instead of 0 you can write 0 plus minus I of infinite into e raised to minus t divided by 2. So this is the I will give the equation number 1. So this will be the second step. So third step, what is the third step here? Find tau is equal to. Okay, so I of 0 we are going to find out, as well as I of infinite we are going to find out, as well as value of tau. So the time constant, that is called as time constant. The time constant tau is equal to R equivalent. Sorry, it is RL circuit. Therefore, it is L by R equivalent, where L is equal to what? 2 Henry, and the inductor value already given, that take as 2 Henry. So resistor value 20 ohm and 20 ohm, these are connected. So according to new position, you have to find out the R equivalent. Okay, so while finding out R equivalent, so how I am finding, carefully observe. So according to new position of the switch, you have to find out. आता इथं ऑलरेडी ओपन सर्किट आहे, त्यामुळे हा ओपन केला, सॉरी हा शॉर्ट केला तरी काही होणार नाही. Already it is open. So the resistor that will be 20 ohm. Even though you are shorting the 50 volt source, here as open is there, it is considered as a open circuit for this. Now next one, this 20 ohm you can consider, and inductor you can make it open. Okay, म्हणजे या दोन पॉइंट मधून this point and this point, between these 2 points you have to observe the R equivalent. So R equivalent measure from this side. इंडक्टरचा पार्ट सोडून द्यायचा, तो ओपन करायचा, त्या दोन ओपन पॉइंट मधलाच आर इक्विलंट किती आहे ते मेजर करायचा असतो. सो व्हॉट इज द आर इक्विलंट व्हॅल्यू हिअर? एनीवन? आर इक्विलंट व्हॅल्यू, व्हॉट इज आर इक्विलंट हिअर फॉर दिस सर्किट? काय येणार आहे? टोटल रेजिस्टन्स. हाऊ दे आर कनेक्टेड? सिरीज और पॅरलल? फास्ट? Series. So 20 and 20 are connected in series. So R equivalent is 20 plus 20. That is R equivalent is equal to 40 ohm. So find out time constant tau. That time constant tau is equal to L by R equivalent. So L is 2 divided by this 40. So this is 1 by 20. You can take as it is 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 second, because the unit of time constant is always second here. Now third step is over. So fourth one is initial condition. So initial condition. So initial condition, how to find out that initial condition now? How to find out the initial condition? So initial condition, that is at t is equal to 0 minus, at t is equal to 0 minus, what is the value of I of 0 minus? That you are going to find out. So as switch is, or switch was closed, as switch was closed for t less than 0 for long time, as switch was closed for t less than 0 for long time. So according to that, I will draw the circuit. The switch is closed at long time, so this will be the plus minus 50 volt, plus minus 50 volt. This resistor as it is 20 ohm. Okay, the switch is closed for t less than 0. Now next, this resistor will be 20 ohm. So when switch was closed for long time, then inductor will act as what? Then inductor will act as what? I have given the initial condition or final condition, you can check. That is table number 2. खूप वेळ जर स्विच एकाच पोझिशनवर असेल तर इंडक्टरचं स्टेटस काय असणार आहे? द इंडक्टर बिकम्स शॉर्ट सर्किट. ओके, सो इंडक्टर इज बिकमिंग शॉर्ट सर्किट because the switch was closed for long time. Due to long time, the inductor will act as a short circuit. Okay, so as switch is here, as switch is closed for long time, the current will be okay. So I of 0 minus is equal to what? That you have to find out. So anyone tell how to find out this current I of 0 minus? How to find out this current I of 0 minus? So see here, 50 volt source is connected across 20 ohm. This 20 ohm and this 20 ohm are connected in parallel. या दोन्हीचे अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज किती आहे? 50 volt. Voltage across 20 ohm is 50 volt. So voltage is known, resistance is known. Use Ohm's law. So by Ohm's law, ह्याच्या अक्रॉसचा व्होल्टेज किती आहे? दिस 20 and this 20 are connected in parallel. मग पॅरललच्या अक्रॉस व्होल्टेज काय असतो? सेम असतो. ओके, सो बाय ओम्स लॉ I of 0 minus is equal to 50 divided by 20 ohm. So that will be, I think, 2.5 ampere. That is I of 0 minus. So even though the switch is open, even though the switch is open at t equal to 0, the current remains same. Because म्हणजे जे प्रिव्हियसली होतं तेच करंट असणार आहे. इवन दो द करंट रिमेन्स सेम बिकॉज इंडक्टर does not allows sudden change in current. Because inductor does not allow the sudden change in current. Therefore, I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus is equal to 2.5 ampere. 2.5 ampere. Okay, so we got the initial conditions, that is I of 0 plus is equal to 2.5 ampere. So tau value we have calculated, that is 1 upon 22nd. Then I of 0 we have calculated. Now find out the final condition. So how to find out the final condition? Now? How to find out the final condition? So final condition means t is equal to infinite. Okay, this value is the positive. So when switch is opened for long time, it is now, as switch is opened here, the resistor will be 20 ohm. So this will be 20 ohm, and for final condition the switch becomes open. Okay, खूप वेळ ठेवला तर for final condition the switch becomes open here, or inductor becomes open, that is open circuit. So this will be 50 volt and switch is closed already at t is equal to 0. So I will show the direction also. So now what will be the value of current? Currentचे value काय असणार आहे? I of infinite. So what is this current? Anyone? काय असणार आहे current? Supply is not connected, means here open circuit, आणि इंडक्टरचं इथं ओपन झालेलं आहे ड्यू टू फायनल कंडिशन. So as t is equal to infinite, the inductor will act as a open circuit. Are you understand? So what will be the value of current? Okay, so as supply is not connected for t is equal to infinite. Okay, so value of current in this circuit is 0. Due to this inductor becomes open circuit. Current 0 झाल्यामुळं inductor काय होणार आहे? ओपन होणार आहे. So I of infinite here, therefore I of infinite is equal to 0 ampere. So I of infinite is equal to 0 ampere. So finally put all these values in equation number 1. That will be the sixth step. Put all values in equation number 1, that is given in the step 2. Okay, so what will be that equation? I of t is equal to I of infinite plus I of 0, that is 0 plus, we can say I of 0 minus I of infinite into e raised to minus tau divided by tau. Okay, so I of infinite is 0 plus I of 0 plus is 2.5 minus I of infinity is 0 into e raised to minus tau divided by 1/20. So why I told keep 1/20 as it is, because this 20 goes to the numerator, that is I of t is equal to 2.5 into e raised to minus 20 into t. Okay, so this will be the as current is there, its unit is ampere, and this is for t greater than or equal to 0. So this will be the final solution or final answer. I of t is equal to 2.5 into e raised to minus 20 into t, unit is ampere, and this is for t greater than or equal to 0. So any doubt in this problem? You can follow the procedure, you can follow the 5 steps, then you get the answer of the given question. But that procedure you can apply if number of or multiple registers are present in the given network. So question number 2, I will tell find find current find current passing through find current passing through capacitor and voltage and voltage across capacitor and voltage across capacitor. Find current passing through capacitor and voltage across capacitor for t greater than or equal to 0. Okay, when switch S is closed at t equal to 0. When switch S is closed at t equal to 0, find current passing through capacitor as well as voltage across capacitor for t greater than or equal to 0 here. So carefully observe the diagram here. It is same as previous diagram. Only here the position of switch is different and the positions of resistors, and instead of inductor capacitor is given. The supply voltage is same, that is 50 volt here. The capacitor value is 10 farad. Resistors will be same 20 ohm, and the switch is closed now. It is closing at t equal to 0, and they are asking find out this current I of t as well as voltage across this as a V of t. So V of t, that is voltage across capacitor, you need to find out, and current passing through capacitor you can find. That I will give the name as IC of t and VC of t, so that you can classify or differentiate between this current. So the current is this current they not mark, voltage also not mark, you can mark, आपण ते mark करू शकतो. So can you solve this problem as a homework? So here first of all, according to new condition, so new condition is what? Switch is closing at t is equal to 0. So according to that condition you can write the equation. So first 2 steps over. Third step, find out the equivalent resistance, because multiple resistance are there. So while finding out equivalent resistance, you have to take that, you have to consider that new position of the switch. So switch is closed here and 50 voltage is getting shorted, कारण 50 volt voltage source असल्यामुळे तो short होणार आहे. So this is shorted, this is shorted, this 20 ohm keep as it is, and capacitor you can make it open. मग capacitor open झाला की you can observe from this side and find out R equivalent. Okay, make capacitor open, and between these 2 points, so this point and this point, you can observe the R equivalent. So this is shorted means 20 ohm and 20 ohm are connected in series or parallel. हा शॉर्ट झाला, हा स्विच शॉर्ट आहे, म्हणजे स्विच क्लोज झालेलं आहे आणि हे दोन टर्मिनल ओपन आहेत आणि you are finding the R equivalent. In that case, how 20 ohm and 20 ohm are connected, whether they are connected in series or parallel, how they are connected. Anyone? How they are connected, series or parallel? Series or parallel? 50 volt is shorted, this switch is closed and capacitor is open. You need to observe from this right hand side and measure from opposite side. So 20 ohm and 20 ohm, how they are connected? I am asking a simple question. Anyone? Series? No. It is connected parallelly. It is connected parallel. हा शॉर्ट झालाय, हा स्विच क्लोज आहे म्हणजे शॉर्ट आहे. So 20 ohm and 20 ohm looks like a parallel connection if you are observing from this side. So 20 ohm and 20 ohm parallel means the value will come 10. So 10 is the R equivalent and capacitor is 10 farad. So R equivalent into C, that will be the value of 2. So 10 into 10, that is 100. 100 is the value of 2. Remember, that is the third step. Fourth step, it is initial condition. Means as soon as switch is closed, what was the previous condition of capacitor? Okay, as capacitor uh, for long time the switch is open. So what will be the voltage across capacitor? That will be the 0 volt. कारण switch open असताना सप्लायच कनेक्ट होत नाही कॅपॅसिटरला. Okay, for this circuit supply will not be connected before the switch is closing. So due to which the voltage across capacitor will remains 0 volt. तो ओपनच राहणार आहे. Are you understand? So as soon as the switch is closed, the voltage never changes because the capacitor will not allow the sudden change in voltage. Therefore, voltage at for final condition also remains, or that is V of 0 plus is also 0 volt. Are you understand? So according to that, you can solve this problem according to the steps given. I have given the lot of hint. Then I of infinite you can for final condition. Final condition ला कॅपॅसिटर कसं होतो, त्याचा रोल काय आहे? So according to the given table yesterday, so you can find out the final condition also. So I of 0 plus, I of infinite. Similarly, V of 0 plus and V of infinite. So all those things you can find out and put all those values in the equation which is mentioning in the step number 2. Then you will get the answer of this IC of t and VC of t. Whether you can able to solve, you can try as a homework, and in the next lecture we will discuss this problem. But you can try now. स्टेप्स दिलेले आहेत, एक एक्झाम्पल पण घेतलेला आहे. फक्त इंडक्टरच्या ऐवजी आता काय आहे, कॅपॅसिटर आहे.